Do you need help selling your books on Amazon? We are here to assist you 24/7 on live chat at amzsellers.support. To sell ebooks with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, start by creating a KDP account on the KDP website. Format your ebook manuscript according to Amazon's guidelines and design an attractive cover that meets their specifications. Log in to your KDP account and enter details like title, author, description, keywords, and categories. Upload your formatted manuscript and cover, set your price, and consider enrolling in KDP Select for additional promotional opportunities. Preview your ebook using the online previewer, and once you're satisfied, click Publish your Kindle ebook. For selling print books with Amazon Publishing, sign up for an account on Amazon Publishing. Choose between Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, print for paperback books, or Amazon Advantage for physical copies. Format your print book manuscript according to Amazon's print guidelines and create a print-ready book cover. Enter details about your book, upload your manuscript and cover, set your price, and choose distribution channels. Preview your book using the online previewer and consider ordering a proof copy before publishing. Selling books on Amazon has never been easier. Start today and reach a wider audience with your books.